This is a Gotway Msuper V3s Plus. As you can see, I now have over 2,000 miles on it. So far, the only maintenance I've had to do is to replace the tire. I probably could have let the original go a bit longer, but it was getting pretty worn. Other than that, it just has some cosmetic damage from being dropped and a crash here and there, but nothing too major besides some minor scratches to the plastic. The fastest I've gone on it's about 33 miles an hour. I haven't gone faster because that's around when I get warning beeps and I don't want to push it past that point.